This Sunday. It's October 16th. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in the Weather Center tracking cold temperatures this morning. Some of you might have had to get the ice scraper out if you were up early enough.
Yeah, it's a bit chilly start out this morning in the 30s, yes, and warming up a little bit into the 50s. Not as warm as yesterday, but the good news is it's going to be not as windy. I know a lot of us, at least driving yesterday, is a bit difficult with the winds too.
Pretty,
yes, very, very pretty too. But the good news is dry weather will continue for today, so beautiful conditions to go out and enjoy the beautiful fall foliage in our area. Start out with taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry across the area this morning. We're just zooming out a little bit to see what's going on around our area. There is a weak cold front riding from the west. This will move into our area by tomorrow, so we're looking at mostly dry conditions for today. A bit of cloudy start this morning, but sunshine will persist later on this evening. So once again, a cool start this morning. Temperatures in the 30s, warming up into the upper 50s by the afternoon. Just an absolutely beautiful fall day in store for us today. And as mentioned before, rain showers do return for tomorrow. But for today, high 59 degrees, pleasant conditions. And I'm planning out your full week forecast ahead coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. A scary situation Saturday morning.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. Another chilly start this morning. Temperatures starting out in the 30s, warming up into the upper 50s. Not as warm as yesterday, but the winds are a little bit calmer. A beautiful fall day is in store for us this Sunday. Start with taking a look at our Cavie Tower camera, seeing some beautiful fall colors right here in the Mohawk Valley. We're just looking at peak fall colors actually right now. Past peak in the North Country, a little bit past peak in some areas of the Southern Valley. Still plenty of color to get out and enjoy for today. And in fact, taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, dry conditions look to remain mostly dry for today. Some rain showers look to arrive by tomorrow, but looking ahead towards mostly dry conditions, at least for the near future. And heading on the clock for today, once again, starting out in the 30s, warming up into the upper 50s by the afternoon, maybe eclipsing the 60-degree mark, especially in lower elevations. Wind speed, the biggest change compared to yesterday. It was very windy. Wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now seeing max wind speeds today in the 5-mile-per-hour range, so beautiful conditions for that as well. And some clouds, some high-level clouds start out this morning, but clouds are gradually diminished by the afternoon, seeing plenty of sunshine. And once again, just an absolutely beautiful day to spend time outside. But taking a look at our next 5 days, you can see that we're going to be cooling down a little bit heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday being the coolest of the next 5 days. We do warm up a little bit heading into next weekend, but still we're looking at cooler temperatures after today. So keep that in mind for your plans for this week. And taking a look at our radar and satellite, our weather for today is influenced by this high pressure. It's a very weak high pressure, so our dry weather is short-lived. This will move out towards the east and weaken. And after that, a cold front, a very weak cold front, is developing from a system out towards the west, producing just a few showers heading into Monday. Now we're keeping an eye on the total moisture in the atmosphere. That's going to be causing the possibility of some heavier rainfall. And the good news is the atmosphere is not looking too terribly damp right now, so we're keeping an eye on some rain showers, not looking to be very heavy heading into tomorrow. Before today, highs reaching the upper 50s, plenty of sunshine this evening. Clouds develop overnight, lows reaching the upper 30s to low 40s. So we're here a few showers, not too terribly intense for rain showers for tomorrow, but still definitely a more unsettled weather for Monday. And then additional rain showers are possible on Tuesday, seeing especially out towards further west from lake effect, looking at mostly dry conditions further out towards the east and more damp conditions further out towards the west for Tuesday. So for today, high 59 degrees, pleasant conditions. Tonight, low 41, mostly cloudy skies. And tomorrow, scattered showers, high 55 degrees. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast. Temperatures gradually decrease as we head into Wednesday. A chance for some hilltop flurries from rain showers on Wednesday. Dry weather persists Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And our trivia question, the only green over red traffic light in the United States is in central New York. True or false?
I think it is, because I know we did a news story about it a while back. I don't know exactly where it is, but I know that it's somewhere around here, right?
So is it the only one, or?
Oh, the only.
Yeah.
Oh, this is tricky now.
I'm trying to stump you, that's why.
Green over red. There is one, but is it the only one? Let's go with true. Why not?
It is true, and yes, it's in Syracuse. And I mean, I guess I don't know if you know the story behind it, because it's a pretty cool story. That
Vaguely, somewhere like way back here.
yeah. So apparently, it was back in the 1920s. The Irish population were upset that the English red was above the green on the traffic light, so they kept throwing stones
So
at it.
it's got to be in Tipperary Hill, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
And they kept throwing stones at it, and then the city was like, "Oh, it's too expensive to replace it," so they just left it. So they grandfathered it in.
You can have your way.
Yes.
Thank you so much. It all came back. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right, moving right along. And thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. It's cold out there this morning. Some of you, if you were up early enough, had to get that ice scraper out just a little bit to take off the windshield this morning if you were heading out. Let's get you over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric.
Some of us, especially some sky watchers, checking in with some frost this morning. Some areas were below freezing, especially in higher elevations. Warming up into the upper 50s by this afternoon, so a seasonally warm day across central New York. In fact, beautiful conditions. Taking a look at our Caveat Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley, seeing some nice peak fall colors. In fact, our latest fall foliage report, peak fall colors in the Mohawk Valley, a little bit past the peak still too in the North Country, but still seeing a little bit of color right now. In some areas in the southern valleys are seeing past peak colors, but still this is going to be the last week or so of peak colors before the leaves start eventually changing full-time, especially in lower elevations. In fact, it was a bit breezy yesterday. If you're looking to get rid of some of those leaves in the lawn, today is your best bet. No rain, some light winds, and the ground looks to be dry. Different news for Monday and Tuesday, a bit breezy, as well as a chance for some rain showers both Monday as well as Tuesday. Taking a look at your for battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, mostly dry conditions. Still keeping an eye on some weak showers to the south of us, but once again looking to remain mostly dry for today, and temperatures warming up into the upper 50s. We are tracking cooler temperatures heading into the middle of this week, including a chance for some flurries. That full details are coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A chilly start this morning, quickly warming up into the upper 50s by the afternoon. Still going to see plenty of sunshine for today. In fact, taking a look at our Caveat Tower camera, starting out a little bit on the cloudy side. Partly sunny skies this morning, just from cloud cover to the south of us, moving its way towards the east. Still, this cloud cover will gradually diminish over the next several hours. Still seeing plenty of sunshine for today. Seasonable temperatures too in the upper 50s. And taking a look at your Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, some of these clouds are producing some moisture in the atmosphere, some rainfall. However, a lot of this area is still seeing dry conditions. It will remain dry for today. Beautiful weather, in fact, with once again temperatures on the seasonable side. Starting on the chilly side this morning, there was frost reported in Westdale, 31 degrees, 34 in Verona Beach, 39 degrees in New Hartford, in Mohawk, and 38 degrees in Stratford. Southern Valley, similar conditions. Temperature starting out in the upper 30s, 38 degrees in Cooperstown, at 39 in Hartwick. As we are on the clock for today, once again warming up into the upper 50s, possibly eclipsing the 60-degree mark, especially in lower elevations. Difference compared to yesterday, not as windy. Wind speeds only between 0 to 5 miles per hour, so a little bit of relief there in terms of wind. And taking a look at our forecast in terms of some sunshine and clouds. Seeing some clouds start out this morning, but sunshine will persist throughout the afternoon and evening before some cloud cover returns in the overnight hours as some rain showers move into our area by tomorrow morning. This is all due to this weak high pressure that is moving out towards the east and once again continuing to weaken out towards the east. Now, there is a cold front that is a weaker cold front pushing through, and it'll be strengthening further out towards the east. But we're just keeping an eye on some of these showers that this will produce tomorrow. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, we're looking at mostly dry conditions, especially in the middle of the day, but still some of these showers, we could see some scattered showers in the morning. There's not a lot of moisture for these showers to work with, so we're not expecting a complete washout in terms of heavy rainfall. But for today, warming up into the upper 50s. Plenty of sunshine in the morning to afternoon. And after that, increasing clouds by the evening and looking ahead towards early tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy skies make way for a few showers, especially in the morning, and then throughout the day, dry conditions will persist by the afternoon or the late afternoon, and then clear skies move in for early Tuesday morning. Another chilly start, looking at temperatures possibly in the 20s, and after that, some more cloud cover as well as some lake effect showers can push through our area. Drier further out towards the east and a little more damp out further out towards the west, but still seeing mostly unsettled weather as we head into the start of the work week. Dry conditions for today, however, high 59 degrees. Tonight cooling down into the 40s, mostly cloudy skies, and tomorrow high 55, some scattered showers in the forecast. And taking a look at our 7-day forecast, rain showers are in the forecast for Monday as well as Tuesday a little bit, and some flurries as well Wednesday. Dry conditions Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And our final trivia question, Zulu time is used a lot. What time is 12Z in Eastern Standard Time?
I have no idea whatsoever.
Should I give you a hint or?
No, I don't even know. I don't know what it is. No, I don't know. I don't know. That's my answer.
A wild guess.
A.
A?
Oh,
let's
you
see.
always pick C when you don't know. That's how I passed a lot of tests when I was in college.
Yeah, I feel like when in doubt, just pick C.
You
So
picked C and I didn't.
I'll have to do that a lot more that way.
Can you explain this to us? Because I don't know what any of it means.
Yeah, but a lot of forecasting, basically, it's like more standard time that we use for, so a lot of like forecast models, they run off of UTC or Zulu time. And so 0Z is 8 p.m. and then 12Z is 8 p.m. and then 12Z is 8 a.m., 0Z is 8 p.m. Getting those two mixed up, but yeah, it's a lot of different. You have to figure out conversions. Sometimes it's hard to figure out, but
Thank you,
it's just a
Eric.
tough bet.
We appreciate it. That one I think was a bit above our heads a little bit. Next time. We've got some wonderful news to share about News Channel 2. The station took home.
Few days out there for this weekend will continue. Here's your first look at your forecast at 6 with Eric Gage. Eric?
Yes, we are tracking some very seasonable temperatures this evening in the 50s and 60s with plenty of sunshine to spare so far. However, the weather does start to turn unsettled as we look ahead towards tomorrow as well as the next several days to start out the work week. Start taking a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking at dry conditions right now, we are still seeing some rain showers out towards the west. This will be our weather maker as we look ahead towards Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Also, 6 p.m. news means some fall foliage colors is one sent in by Rebecca in Augusta. A nice sunset, some nice fall colors as well. A beautiful picture here in Chittenango from Wendy, seeing some nice river flow right there too. And finally, our last picture, Cooperstown, sent in by Carol. Some beautiful blue skies and a beautiful weekend to get out and enjoy those fall colors. It currently is peak colors in the Mohawk Valley. We're looking at some slight discoloration in the colors, especially in the higher elevations around our area. Now, weather headlines. Increasing clouds later on this evening. Some rain showers are possible early tomorrow, and we're all cooling down a little bit to start out the work week. And temperatures cooling down into the 40s for highs for some days, but for this evening, cooling down into the 40s, eventually the lower 40s overnight. Have your full weekday forecast planned ahead. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. It's been 41 years.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Hopefully everyone has enjoyed the beautiful fall weekend we saw. Beautiful conditions today with seasonal temperatures in the upper 50s to even low 60s to reach in some areas so far today. And taking a look at our Cavity Tower camera, looking at beautiful conditions so far this evening in the Mohawk Valley. Some nice fall colors as well. Peak fall foliage, especially in lower elevations at this time. And taking a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, still seeing dry conditions. This will change, however, as we head into tomorrow morning. Mostly dry conditions, clouds begin to arrive overnight, and the weather does start to turn unsettled. Look ahead towards the start of the work week. In fact, Take a look at our chance of rain outlook. Looking at mostly dry conditions, the peak chance of seeing some rain showers looks to be in the late morning Monday between noon and 5 p.m. Still not expecting a complete washout, not as rainy as last Thursday, but still some scattered showers along with some cloud cover in the forecast as well. And then drying out a little bit. Looking at a pocket of dry air as well for Tuesday. We're not rolling out a shower just yet, but still we're trending mostly dry after Tuesday, but still weather does remain unsettled Tuesday until Wednesday as well. This is all due to a high pressure weakening out towards the east and another weaker cold front developing from a stationary low out here towards the Canadian area towards Toronto. This will be causing weather to once again cause some cloud cover as well as some rain showers, even some possible flurries in higher elevations as we look ahead towards some cooler temperatures Tuesday morning as well as Wednesday. So our skycast for tonight cooling down into the 40s with mostly cloudy skies. Looking at some rain chances as well for the early morning hours. You can see right here between 8 a.m. and noon, seeing some possible rain showers. Dry conditions by the evening, and then after that, some clear skies could be reaching the 20s. A very chilly and frigid night in store for us early Tuesday morning. It all depends on cloud cover, but still very chilly temperatures just above us. That could cause some frost as well as some possible flurries start out early Tuesday morning. And around Tuesday, still mostly dry. Further out west could see a shower, but still we're keeping an eye on that pocket of dry air as it moves its way out towards the east. So for tonight, a low 41 degrees, mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, high 55 with some scattered showers in our 7-day forecast. Looking at rain showers for tomorrow, still not looking to be a complete washout, but looking at cloudy skies as well as some rain showers. Possible for that Tuesday, more on the drier side. A chance for some hilltop flurries Wednesday. Then dry weather and warm temperatures persist. Look ahead towards the start of next weekend.
In the forecast, let's get a look at your forecast at 11. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric?
Good evening. After a very beautiful weekend so far, rain does return in our forecast for tomorrow. Not looking to be a complete washout, but still seeing just some light showers, especially in the morning as well as sometime in the evening. Take a look at current conditions so far tonight. 44 degrees measured at the Griffith Park in Rome. Feels like 40 with a light breeze coming in from the east. And taking a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, looking at dry conditions across the area right now. However, cloud cover will begin to increase as we head into tonight. And taking a look at our weather headlines, once again, cool conditions tonight as clouds increase. Some scattered showers tomorrow, once again, not as rainy as last Thursday. And cooler weather does look to be the main story as we start the work week with temperatures cooling down into the 40s for highs. But taking a look at tonight, low of 41. Some outlying areas could see temperatures in the 30s. I will break down what to expect for the full week ahead coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. Decision 2022. Now
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We are wrapping up a beautiful day across central New York. Tonight, cooling down into the 40s and 30s, and the weather does turn unsettled as we head into tomorrow. Start out by taking a look at today's almanac. A little bit above average temperature-wise, a high of 62 degrees recorded in the valley, a low of 34 earlier on this morning, so a big shift in temperature. So a little bit above average for the high, a little bit below for the low. So just keep an eye. I think the next several days, a little bit on the cooler side, warm up as we head into next weekend. But taking a look at our Caveat Tower camera live right now over the city of Utica, looking at mostly quiet conditions for tonight, as well as on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, dry conditions in the area for tonight. However, cloud cover will continue to increase as a front out towards the west, a weak cold front, will push its way into our area. And that will increase our chance of rainfall, especially for tomorrow. Taking a look at our chance of rain outlook, you can see the highest chance of rain, more on the scattered to probable side, looks to be in the late morning on Monday, tomorrow morning to early tomorrow afternoon. After that, gradually decreasing as we head into early Tuesday. Tuesday is looking more on the dry side as a pocket of dry air follows that front, but rain chances do gradually increase as like ahead towards Wednesday. And as you see right here, this is all due to a weak high pressure. This is causing our weather to remain dry for today, pushing its way out towards the east, and a weak cold front developing from a low up towards Canada and this will continue to remain here over the next several days. This will cause some lake enhancement, or basically what it means is some rain showers enhanced by the Great Lakes, the warm temperatures, causing some cloud cover to push into our area, as well as a chance of a shower or two. Even overnight lows tomorrow night could produce some flurries in higher elevations. So on our Skycast for tonight, cooling down into the 40s and possibly 30s. As you can see right here, this is temperatures for today. Cooling down into the 40s and 30s overnight. Mostly cloudy skies to make way for tomorrow morning. A chance of a shower or two in the morning as well, and a front pushes through. You can see some pockets of dry conditions. Not the entire day looks to be a complete washout. Not a lot of moisture to work with in the atmosphere. After that, tomorrow night is a big story. Very chilly temperatures, very dry air, cooling down into the 30s and possibly 20s. And looking ahead towards Tuesday, some lake enhanced cloud cover as well as some rain showers further west, drier further out towards the east. And then dry weather does persist after Wednesday into Thursday, looking ahead towards a nice stretch to the end of the work week. So for tonight, a low 41 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, scattered showers, a high 55 degrees, a little bit warmer in places that see just a little bit more sunshine. Our 7-day forecast, rain chances do continue into Wednesday, even for Thursday, and then dry weather persists as we head into Friday and Saturday. Highs warming up into the upper 60s.
Thank you very much, Eric. Coming up next, Aha's in at the sports station.